thought it was a great atmosphere. Crowd did a great job supporting, had great energy. It's also a good night to support Pat and what she brings to the table and obviously what she's done over the course of 30 plus years. So I just thought it was a wonderful night across the board. From a playing standpoint, I thought we did a good job defensively again. We've gotten a lot better in that area, taking pride in defending. Over the team like that with really good guards and physical bigs, the way they rebounded, the way they scored. I thought we did a good job of really challenging shooters and also boxing out, which wasn't an easy task. As you look at those guys, they're some big guys we got close to. I thought Trey probably had one of his better games all season, even though he didn't score a lot. But I thought he did a great job of running our team. A lot of areas he was communicating with the guys, when to set up, what plays to execute. So I thought he did a tremendous job of really executing. The one major concern I thought we did a good job was not turning the ball over. I think we had 8 in the first half, finished with 10. But we gave us, and that's where you give yourself a chance to win and be able to take care of the ball and be under control. So I thought Jordell did a good job once again. Had some breakdowns defensively, which is expected because he's learning as we go. But I thought his energy, his toughness, his will to receive the ball, the desire to score the ball really helped us get over the hump. But I think our bigs are really playing some good basketball right now. And it's just a good win for us and our program.